Good morning, guys. Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm on a rainy, cloudy day. I think most of the rain's passed through, but it's cloudy and kind of chilly this morning. Hey, I got 2 hay orders to deliver today. One is for 12 square bales, and I think it's for a Halloween party. And then the other one is for 11 round bales. I'll go to the horse farm where we went the other day, and I'll be loading those up on my flatbed trailer, but I got to figure out how to get 12 square bales somehow in this truck or on the trailer or something, so I can combine those deliveries. They're kind of close to each other and kind of far away. So let me try it. Okay, 12 bales, let's go get the flatbed. 20-foot flatbed hooked up. Like our pink porta potty. Hope we got a discount. All right, let's go load up some round bales. Do some hay deliveries. Joe's premium firewood hat, love it. Let's roll. Well, I was a little bit worried. I didn't make it almost always ask first off what the buyer wants the hay for, especially if it's some quality other than perfect quality. And these had a lot of broom sedge in them. They were the last cutting. You saw some of that. Maybe I'll show some of those pictures of when we cut. But I just talked to him again. I said, hey, I looked back through our messages and I didn't see where I asked you, and it's just for donkeys. And he said they had broom sedge hay last year and did fine and didn't lose weight, or they ate it all, and their donkeys weren't picky. So I was very happy about that. He said, no, bring it on. So he's getting a good price. I'm getting a good deal because of this mid-October cut for hay, and my farrier got her, she didn't have to bush hog her fields. So 3 winners, I think, today, if we can get this delivery done correctly. So we're on our way over to the farriers to pick them up, and then I'll be doing the round bale delivery. The square bales are good quality. I wouldn't call them horse quality because I didn't have them tested. But I think you saw me square bale earlier in the year, but these are just for decoration. They're for sitting on probably around a fire for after a Halloween party this weekend, I think, maybe something like that. So perfect. We'll hopefully get a little video at one of the 2 of these downloads. If not, I'll brief you later. Okay, here's the issue. They got kind of like a separated field here. They did take some fences down, but I got 11 bales spread way out. If you can see any of those over there, I'm gonna try to load 3 over here. There's 3 on this side, and then slowly, work my way over there, and maybe nothing will fall off. But I got to walk to the tractor. I decided to park close to the bales. The old New Holland Workmaster 75 tractor with the New Holland 644. I think it's from 1999, round baler. Did great. We'll let old girl warm up a little bit. Tennessee Titan Sports Radio. Tennessee Titan Sports Radio is not happy right now with the old Titans. Neither are the fans. I'm going to try to leave the baler on. I hate to do that, but I'm going to run a little bit late, so it takes me just a second to disconnect it. At least these first 3 over here, I'll try to leave it on. Maybe I'll take it off over there. I'm not sure yet. Try to put them on the back here. That ramp might hold them on a little better if I can get it in there. There we go. It's hard to do one-handed. Nice. All right, let me go get 2 more down there. Okay, on this side of the field now. Now we can walk back up to the truck. Beautiful farm. Taking a shortcut across the dam. We're making it. Slow and steady. Stay put, buddy. We made it over. Let's get the rest. I'll put you on time lapse. All right, tied down, workmaster did great. Let's go deliver. It's got lots of split wood, beautiful. There's where the hay's going. Love his wood stand. He said these were pallets from solar panels, most of this wood. Now that was just a great human being and an awesome slice of heaven up here in the Middle Tennessee hills. I thought that place was awesome.
Turn left onto State Route 231.
On to the next delivery. Gorgeous back here. For sale. Okay, I just delivered there, quick drop off, no filming, no big deal, and I appreciate everybody coming. Some of the last, for sure the last round bell stuff of the year, but we got a few square bells left. We'll see how that works out. But headed back home to Nelson Ridge Farm, and I got another square bell delivery today, so that'll probably be another video. So we'll see you later.